In this quick tutorial I will show you how to download the AOL Mail application on an iPhone. So for that you'll have to open the App Store on your iPhone, press on this application, and now let's find the AOL Mail app. You'll find the search bar in the upper side of the screen and also one at the bottom. Let's use the one at the top, press on it, and let's search for AOL Mail and hit the search button. And the second application is the AOL Mail app. The first one it's an advertisement. Okay, so let's hit that. And now if you don't have this application installed already, you may see get. So you will have to press on get first, and only after the application is downloaded and installed, after a couple of minutes depending of your internet speed, you will see open after that. So press on open once it's installed. And now obviously if you haven't signed in before, you will have to sign in with your AOL Mail email address, and after that with your AOL password. And after you sign in with your email address and with your password, you will be able to use your email as usual. So that being said, this is how to download and how to get the AOL Mail application on an iPhone.